નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Activity 3. See, take a tomato or a fruit like lemon, cut it into small pieces. Do your hands get wet while doing so? Yeah. Every time, whenever we cut any food, or any food means any fruit or vegetable, our hands will get wet, isn't it? Why? Because it contains water. Carefully observe whenever vegetables and fruits are being cut into small pieces. Peeled means to take the skin off a fruit or vegetable, मतलब छाल उतारवी. Grated means to rub food into small pieces using a metal tool, that is grater, मतलब કે એને ખમણી નાખવું. Or mashed means reduced to a pulpy mass by crushing, मतलब એને ચોળી નાખવું, મસળી નાખવું. At your home, do you find any fresh vegetables or fruit that do not contain some amount of water? No. Every time, whenever we do so, then water comes out. That means what? Any fresh vegetables and fruits all contains water, isn't it? We see that many food materials themselves contain water to some extent. Our body needs are met by this water. Apart from this, we also add water while cooking many food items. That means what? Whenever we take or eat any vegetables or any fruit, our body will get water from that. As well as we use water by cooking. In cooking also we use water, so in that food also our body gets water. Now let's discuss about balanced diet. The food we normally eat in a day is our diet. For growth and maintenance of good health, our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs. Understand once again. For growth and maintenance of good health, our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantity. Not too much of one and not too little of the other. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. So what is balanced diet? The diet or our food which gives the nutrients in adequate quantity. What is adequate quantity? That is, the food contains the nutrients in proper proportion. Okay, it should not be too much and it must not be too little. So the food contains nutrients in right quantities or in adequate quantity, as well as the diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such a diet is called balanced diet. Do you think that people of all ages need the same type of diet? Do you also think that what we need for balanced diet would depend on the amount of physical work that we do? Yeah, actually it should be there. If we are doing too much physical work, then diet should be of that kind. And in every age, in small age means in children, when we become young, and when we become old, at that time there should be change in our diet. That should be there. Prepare a chart of whatever you eat over a period of a week. check whether all the nutrients mentioned are present in one or the other food item being eaten within a day or so. So here what you will do, you will prepare a chart and you will check. First of all, what you will do, whatever you eat over a period of week, you will write down in your chart. Then you will check whether all the nutrients mentioned are present in one or the other food item being eaten within a day or so. Let's say within a week. But whether you are eating the food provides every nutrients and everything or not, that what you think and see from that chart. Pulses, groundnut, soybean, sprouted seeds, that is moong and bengal gram. Fermented foods, that is South Indian foods such as idli, as well as another one is Gujarati food is dhokla, that is also fermented food. A combination of flours, missi roti, thepla made from cereals and pulses, banana, spinach, sattu, jaggery, available vegetables and other such food provide many nutrients. Therefore, one can eat a balanced diet without expensive food materials. This is for you students. It is not that we should eat expensive food every time. It is not that. But we should get every nutrients. We should eat the food from which we can get every nutrients, and hence we should keep in our diet so that we can get every nutrients, and that type of food dish should be there every day. Eating the right kind of food is not enough. It should also be cooked. See, eating the right kind of food is not enough. It should also be cooked properly so that its nutrients are not lost. Are you aware that some nutrients get lost in the process of cooking and preparations? So, our food should be cooked. And second thing, we should remember that the some nutrients get lost in the process of cooking and preparations. Here, Paheli wonders whether animal food also consists of these different components, and do they also need a balanced diet? Yeah, that is also there. Animals also should get balanced diet. If the vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting or peeling them, remember once again, let's see once again. If the vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting or peeling them, it may result in the loss of some vitamins. So, if we cut the fruits and if we wash it 2 to 3 times, then it may result in loss of some vitamins. The skins of many vegetables and fruits contain vitamins and minerals. See, the skins of many vegetables and fruits contain vitamins and minerals. Similarly, repeated washing of rice and pulses may remove some vitamins and minerals present in them. So we should not wash the things repetitively. One or twice time if it is required, then it is okay. We all know that cooking improves the taste of food and makes it easier to digest. Why cooking is required? Because cooking improves the taste of food and makes it easier to digest. See, we cannot eat raw rice, isn't it? We can eat after cooking it also, cooking it only. That is why it improves the taste of the same, as well as it is easy to digest. At the same time, cooking also result in the loss of certain nutrients. In the same time means, on the other hand, cooking also result in the loss of certain nutrients. Many useful proteins and considerable amount of minerals are lost if excess water is used during cooking and is then thrown away. So during cooking, if we use too much water and after cooking if we throw away, then what will happen? Some amount of minerals and vitamins will be get lost. Vitamin C gets easily destroyed by heat during cooking. Vitamin C gets easily destroyed by heat during cooking. Would it not be sensible to include some fruits and raw vegetables in our diet? So, see, if we are using lemon and all the things, but what happens? Lemon is rich of vitamin C, but when we put it in our food during cooking and if we heat it, then it will get destroyed. So to fulfill the amount of vitamin C, what we should do? We should eat raw fruits and raw vegetables in our diet. Bujo thought that fats would be the best food to eat. What Bujo thought? That fats would be the best food to eat all the time. A katori, that is bowl of fat, will give much more energy than a katori of carbohydrate rich food. Why? Because fats provides more quantity of energy compared to carbohydrates. That is why what Bujo is thinking, it is better to eat fatty foods which provides fats, the foods which provides fats compared to the foods provides carbohydrates. So he ate nothing but food. So he ate nothing but food rich in fats. And which food that is rich in fat? That is fried food like samosa and puri, malai, rabdi and peda. So Bujo think to eat these fried foods, samosa, puri, malai, rabdi, peda, like that, all these sweets also. Do you think he was right? No, of course not. It can be very harmful to us to eat too much of fat rich foods, and we may end up suffering from a condition called obesity. So actually what is that? We should not only the food provides fats only, that is fried foods, all that like samosa, puri and all the things, as well as the sweets like malai, rabdi and peda. Why? Because all those provide us too much fat. But if we eat it, then what happens to us? It may be the condition of obesity. Matlab we may get fat. Obesity must matlab jhadapanu, and that is harmful to us as well as to our body. So we should not eat the food like that. By this time we are ending our part. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.